Hey guys, it's Candy. So I'm in the process of taking down this crochet style. This is YWigs Water Deep Wave. If you have not seen that video, then I will leave the link down below so you can check it out. But I am planning to actually reuse the hair to do a totally different style, guys. So if you're interested to see how I reuse it, then definitely keep watching. Yes. So after removing all the hair, I use this soak it off apple cider vinegar rinse just to soak the hair to get rid of all of the buildup. Then I used some conditioner just to soften the hair, hung it to dry, and this is how it turned out. Look how brand spanking new. So the style that I'm going to be reusing the hair to create is, of course, you guessed it, the miracle knots. And I am using my favorite method, which is the feed-in method. So I literally just put the hair in between my hair and start braiding only the thread. So the thread portion of this crochet hair is what I braid. And then once the thread is totally braided, then I just clip off that hair and continue to braid. Once I'm almost at the end, I'm going to add another piece of the crochet hair, and pretty much that is the process. You just start by feeding in one piece of the hair, yes, braiding in only the thread. So you're going to pin off the first part of the crochet hair, then start braiding in the thread. Then once the thread is done braiding, you pin off the other part and continue. Again, separate the hair into 3 sections. Then I lay the crochet hair in between, just clip that down to secure it, then start braiding. Once you start braiding, you're literally braiding the thread portion of the hair. And once that is done, then you're going to clip that off, continue braiding for maybe an inch or so before you add the next piece of crochet hair. Speaking of hair, let's get into the hair. This is a recap. If you did not see the first video, guys, I'm definitely going to encourage you to see it so you can actually see the crochet style that I did. The hair is a water deep wave by YWigs, as I mentioned before, 18 inches long, yes. And the color, I don't know if you notice, each of the strands of the crochet hair has 2 different colors. One side has a number 4, the other side has number 27. Beautiful color blend. All right, you guys are going to see that once I'm done installing it, how beautiful the color combination is. Since I'm in the front, let's go over the process again. Of course, you're going to use some braiding jam so that your hair is nice and sleek at the root. Separate the hair into 3. Then I'm going to lay the crochet hair, and of course I am alternating which color I start with. Yes, so sometimes I actually pin off the darker color, which is the number 4, and other times I will pin off the 27, which is that blondish color, and that way you get a nice, color variation and alternation going on. All right, so again, the hair, I did use 4.5 packs for the crochet style initially, and then once I removed and washed them and did this style, I only used about 4 packs. So I did use a little bit less of the hair for the miracle knots, but you can absolutely use more. You guys are going to see how nice and full the hair turns out once I'm done. The hair is washable, of course, because you guys already saw that it's washable. And so many of you guys who are, talking about the prices of human hair, crochet hair, I feel you, I get you. They're not cheap, okay? However, if you can reuse them, then you definitely get your money's worth. All right. So guys, I am getting there. Yes, this is how it's looking so far. Yeah, I'm literally on the last one, guys. And of course, again, separated in 3. And as you can see, I am pinning off the blonde piece first and braiding in the darker piece. So I am braiding the thread portion. If this is not, guys, and this is not the only way you can do miracle knots, you can absolutely do miracle knots where you just braid your hair down and then use the crochet tool to install the crochet hair onto your hair. But 2 reasons why I prefer this feeding method. One, if you do the method where you use a crochet tool to just attach the hair to your braids, then you will find that you will see that dangling thread. That's not cute. Also, when you're ready to take down the hair, you will have a much quicker and easier experience by removing it once the hair is done with this feeding method. Yeah, can't lose. All right, guys, so we're on the finishing, just doing the last inch of braiding or so. And then just like that, we are all done with the process. And this is how it turned out. I am absolutely in love and obsessed with the color of this hair, guys. Look at the combination. Isn't that cute? And I feel like the volume is perfect. It looks nice and full and dense. However, the hair is absolutely weightless. So that is a win-win. And that's what I love about the Miracle Knots. Yeah, they take a quicker time to install than your boho braids, definitely. And you don't have the heaviness. So let's look at the final look. Yeah. So guys, this is the hair. I am loving it. Love it, love it, love it. If there was ever a go-to style for me, then the Miracle Knots would be it. And this hair curl pattern, not too tight, not too loose. I believe that it's just a perfect curl that will give you a nice versatility. And of course, speaking of versatility, we have to do the side part option. You guys have heard me like a broken record say that I am a side part girly all the way up and down, right? And so I had to feel that look out, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And also, in addition to the side part, of course, you know, sometimes I want the hair to be away from my face for whatever reason. And so I'm just toying with a little bit of a pin up in the front, while at the same time still being able to show off the nice curls in the back. So that is one option. And if you don't want to do that simple option, you can also just go ahead and do cascading look on one shoulder, and that will give you a little bit more of a dressy look. But guys, this is the one for me. That side part is the winner. And when I want a cute, convenient, and just a quick look, this is my go-to. The half up, half down wins every time, guys. And so yeah, big shout out to YWigs for this water deep wave hair. The length is perfect, the color is perfect, the curls are perfect. I feel like everything about this hair is perfect. I am definitely in love. This is how it looks in the back. Yeah, nice and full. The length is also, you know, fairly long. So guys, thank you so much. I will leave the links down below for you guys, and definitely catch you on my next one. Bye.